So my dad got these from TikTok shop, and we're gonna try these. He's right next to me. It won't let me. So I'm gonna try one. I don't know which. I'm gonna get this one. So this one's like a bluish, and if you don't see it's ready, you're gonna try it. In 1, 2, 3. Too late.
Sit down, man.
Daddy. Nobody. Daddy. The two. Can't try anymore. Bye. Bye.